What is the capital of Mexico? What is the official language of Mexico? What colors are on the Mexican flag? What is the currency of Mexico? What ancient civilization lived in southern Mexico? What holiday is celebrated on November 1st to 2nd? Which U.S. state borders Mexico? What is the name of the peninsula in eastern Mexico? What is a traditional Mexican food made of corn dough? What is the name of the volcano near Mexico City?